welcome back. We're going to be doing something a little different today. We're going to do a review. I've always wanted a nice tiller, like a nice Honda or something, but they're really expensive. I don't have a lot of storage room for it here anyways. So I saw this today on sale, the Yardworks 10 amp electric. So I decided to bring it home. I can hear my dad if he saw this. My kick cost, what is this thing? A little 10 amp electric. I don't have a big space to store it. I don't have a big patch of dirt to till, so we're going to give this thing a try and see how it goes. Alright, so putting this together out of the box is pretty simple. It's basically attaching the handle on with these screws. You can just twist that on, no tools required. And then simply putting the wheels on this cotter pin. Got 3 different settings, and that's about it. One of the drawbacks of an electric tiller is that you need a cord, obviously, but it's cumbersome. It might not reach the area you're working in, and you can run it over and you get something like that, which looks like it's been fixed with electric tape, and you don't want to be using that. So if you do need to go ahead and get yourself a new cord, you want to do your homework first. You want to make sure you got something that's going to be long enough. You want something outdoor rated like this. A lot of times the outdoor cords will be green, but that kind of blends in with the grass. So I'd recommend either this red or an orange, something that's high visibility, so you don't end up with something like that. So yeah, these details are really important. Okay, so we've got the unit put together here and assembled. That was really easy. Got our cord picked out. So now all we have to do is plug it in and we're ready to go. So we're going to look at our first of all, call it design flaw here. Just so we got multiple outlets on this cord, and that's not going in, so that's no good. You want to use something like that. It's got the one outlet on it. Fits nicely, and we're ready to go. Alright, so as I mentioned, we don't have a big patch of dirt here, as you can see. We've got our cord plugged in, we're ready to go. Set at the lowest setting here. One more important thing is we want to get our boots on here. If you got steel toe, even better. You don't want to be starting up this machine if you don't have the proper footwear on. So we're good to go. Put the safety on. Let's see how this does. So as you can see, we're not really getting that deep here. Got this as low as we can go. What I'm going to give a try is just take this pin right out. I'm going to take these wheels off. See if that helps. We're going to put this in our pocket. Don't want to lose that. So as you can see, that it's not too bad of a job there. We're going to give the rest of it a quick go around the whole plot of dirt and then see how that goes. So actually, you'll see without the wheels, get it down there, you can actually do a pretty good job. Not bad. So I've done the whole garden here, and I don't know, not bad. You see if dig up there. Got the dirt tilled pretty good. I don't know. Not a bad job for a little motor. It's an overall solid 4 out of 7.